If you work with spreadsheets and LibreOffice Calc, then knowing how to wrap text can make your data so much easier to read. Instead of having long sentences spill across nearby cells or disappear behind other content, you can format the cell so the text stays neatly inside it and automatically moves to the next line. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to wrap text in LibreOffice Calc step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're brand new to the software. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. This will open a new spreadsheet where you can work with your data. Now select the cell or cells where you want the text to wrap. You can click one cell, drag across multiple cells, or highlight an entire range if you want the same formatting applied in more than one place. This part is important because the wrap setting only affects the cells you select. After your cells are highlighted, go up to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down menu, choose Cells. This opens the cell formatting window where you can control things like font, borders, alignment, and text behavior. Next, click on the Alignment tab. This is where you'll find the option for how the text sits inside the cell. Look for the setting that says Wrap Text Automatically and check that box. Once that option is enabled, Calc will automatically break longer text into multiple lines inside the same cell instead of letting it run out of view. After that, click OK to apply the changes. And just like that, your selected text will now wrap neatly inside the cells. If the row height needs to adjust, LibreOffice Calc will handle that visually, so the text is much easier to read. This is especially useful for notes, comments, labels, descriptions, and any spreadsheet that contains longer entries. You can repeat the same process on other cells whenever you need to format more text. And if you're working with a large sheet, wrapping text can help keep everything organized without constantly resizing columns. So to quickly recap, select the cells, go to Format, choose Cells, open the Alignment tab, check Wrap Text Automatically, and click OK. That's all there is to it. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.